A home renovation is not something cheap. After you're done with your renovation, the first thing you're going to do is to schedule regular maintenance to preserve the home. This is the same thing for the mind renovation. This is not something that you're going to do one time and move on. You're going to have to schedule maintenance. Do you want me to tell you how? Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to me, hello. My name is Danoue Goueth. I am a confidence and mindset coach. I am a mom, a wife, and a former stay-at-home mom. My mission as a coach is to empower women over 40 to build unshakable confidence, overcome limiting beliefs with ease, and achieve extraordinary success so they can live the life of their dreams. Welcome to the Mind Renovation Series, episode 8. This episode is called Maintenance and Upkeep. Today, I'm going to tell you what you need to do and how you can schedule regular maintenance for your mind. If you find this topic interesting, please don't go anywhere. Keep on watching. A home renovation is not something cheap. After you're done with your renovation, the first thing you're going to do is to schedule regular maintenance to preserve the home. This is the same thing for the mind renovation. This is not something that you're going to do one time and move on. You're going to have to schedule maintenance and upkeep so we can continue, our personal growth journey. In a home renovation project, for example, maintenance may involve things like cleaning regularly, right? Repairing as needed, and also schedule regular inspections to ensure that everything is working properly or everything, is in optimal condition. Similarly, in the mind renovation project, maintenance includes practices like mindfulness, self-care, continuous learning, and also self-reflection to help you nurture your emotional health and well-being. Now, let's break it down further with a real-life example within the context of home renovation. Imagine you have completed a major renovation on your home where you have updated your kitchen, your bedrooms, and your bathrooms, but you neglect to maintain them. What do you think is going to happen? Over time, the paint will start to chip, the floors will creak, and the walls will crack. And now it's you're sitting here watching your hard work and your investment begin to deteriorate. To maintain the newly renovated space, you need to establish a maintenance routine that includes regular cleaning, checking for any repairs, as I mentioned earlier, and also updating the fixtures as needed. In this scenario, the maintenance for your mind involves incorporating practices such as mindfulness meditation, reading good self-development books that will help you, and also journaling, exercising, and practicing good hobbies or engaging in hobbies that will bring you joy and relaxation. It is also a good thing to put your phone down at least 20 minutes before you go to sleep. I know it's so tempting to, be in the bed and, scrolling on social media, watching funny videos and everything. Well, there's nothing wrong with that, but keep in mind when you do that, you don't really want that to be the last thing that you are seeing or the last thing that you are feeding your brain or your subconscious mind before you go to sleep. You still need to put your phone down, take a moment for yourself, calm yourself down, especially before you go to sleep. You can take a moment to, reflect on yourself, reflect on your life, reflect on on the day that you had, and try to figure out what was positive in that, what was negative, and at the same time, you also sending the right message to your brain. When you wake up in the morning, you feel better and you are more inspired, and you will be surprised how creative and productive you can be the next day. So again, there is nothing wrong with that, right? You do whatever you want. At the end of the day, this is your bed, your life, and your phone. But I'm just saying those good practices can help you. So these activities act as the ongoing care and upkeep of your emotional health and well-being. Just like regular cleaning and a maintenance routine can, preserve your home and keep it beautiful and comfortable for you to live in. This is the same thing. So when you incorporate these practices in your life, you will live a better life and you will feel light. You will feel lighter. Trust me. I want you to keep in mind that everything that I'm saying here, they are little activities that you can do to help you with the maintenance routine of your mind. And keep in mind, whatever I'm saying here, you don't need to do all of them every day. For example, they are just, part of a long list that you can do to help you in your day-to-day life, right? So you just go with your flow, choose what makes sense to you, what you feel comfortable with, and do it. Okay, because everybody is different. Some people don't like to read, and that's okay. They can watch a video, they can listen to other self-development things, audios, or podcasts, right? At the end of the day, you are free to do whatever you want to do, but I'm just giving some simple things that you could do every day. You can choose one or two and move on with your life. You're not forced to do all of them. Who got the time for all of them anyway? Let's say, for example, you decide to practice mindfulness meditation for a few minutes each day to recenter yourself and reduce stress. This simple daily practice will act as a form of maintenance routine for your mental health or your mind, to help you stay grounded, and it will also help you stay calm and focused despite any type of life, challenges and distractions. All right, beautifuls, this is the time for me to pause for a moment, as usual, and acknowledge you by asking you a question. My question for you today is, what is your best maintenance routine practice? What do you do? Do you like to read? Do you like to exercise? Do you like to meditate? Write your comment down below. I would love to hear from you. This is also the time to invite you to like, subscribe, and share my videos with anyone you think might benefit from them. If you're looking for a coach to help you cope with all the challenges that you are experiencing in life, or to help you establish a good maintenance routine for your mind renovation process, click the link down below to book a free assessment call with me. From there, we will determine if we are a good fit for each other or if I'm just the best coach for you. Summer is here. If you're looking for beautiful pieces and accessories to elevate your outfits, click the link of my boutique down below to shop around, and I'm sure that you're going to find something that fits your need. But if you are on Poshmark and you prefer to stay there, click my Poshmark link down below to join me there so you can also shop around. All right, beautifuls, before we conclude this video today, I just want to remind you that you are watching the Mind Renovation Series, episode 8, and today we talk about maintenance and upkeep. By prioritizing mental health maintenance through self-care routines, healthy habits, and positive coping strategies, you can create a sustainable foundation for emotional wellness and growth. All right, beautifuls, thank you so much for watching this video today. As usual, it was a pleasure recording it for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with friends and family. Thank you in advance for the support. This is Danoue Goueth, empowering you to rise above the noise and embrace the true you. Now is your time to shine. Let's shine together. Until next time.